Next, our wheel is on the place. I put some protection tape on headlight, and I will use a sanding block with all 240 sandpaper. It's not for actually sanding, it's to reveal the shape, to see where our high spots and low spots are. It will create it like tiny scratches, and it will show what's going on underneath. Because I don't really plan to sand paint yet. Yeah, I just want to see where are my low spots, so I can fix some of them. Obviously everything is not fixable, yeah, because it's damaged part, but as you can see, we have like white spots and red spots. Red spots is where our sandpaper did not touch the paint, which means they are a bit low. So I will slightly, actually they're not that low, but still a bit low, so I will gently tap them. To do that, I will use my dolly that I will push from underneath, and my spoon to gently like tap that areas. Let me wipe that down. And try again. What I propose, we will leave it like that and cover that with the body filler. Because that doesn't make sense. I don't see any reason to continue like hammering that, because it won't be much better. Only thing that we can check is that tiny rib. It also looks nice. Yeah, we'll leave it like that, exactly like that. So right now I can prepare it for a body filler and fill it. It will look beautiful, I think, yes. All right, finally I've sanded that down, made it all that surface to apply body filler. Also I put a layer of epoxy primer on this area, because there was few spots of exposed bare metal. It's kind of very important to apply epoxy primer, not just acrylic primer, because acrylic primer doesn't protect metal. Yeah, in case of like stone chipping, you will have rust there. If you apply epoxy primer, there won't be any issues with that at all, never. So now I have my body filler, and I will start to fill that area. Let's mix it first. It's kind of interesting blue body filler from Spectral company. It changes its color when you have properly mixed compound and proper amount of hardener. So when you mix, it's blue, but when it will dry, it will become like grayish color. And I really like that body filler. It goes very smoothly. It's like, you know, nice texture. Because some cheap body fillers, they're hard to work with. They don't want to spread evenly. They're kind of uneven and hard to sand. That one is nice. It's easy to sand, easy to apply, and in general, just good material, you know. Yeah, as you can see, I apply filler even on those areas where I don't need it. Why? Because when we will sand it, uh, our sandpaper needs to cut something. We cannot leave just bare panel because we will create even more uneven surface that it's right now. So that's why I'm applying it even on that spots where it's not really needed. But that's the trick to create even surface. You apply it like over apply it and then send it to final shape. Unfortunately, that's how it's, let's say, that's the way, you know. It's starting to harden, so I will have to stop right now because it's already getting hard. I will only cut those extra sticking out things and probably smooth it a bit right here. And that's all. Oh, kids are here. Hi, Yava. So after drying, I can give it a good initial cut with 120 sandpaper. Where are we? Yeah. Let me quickly check if that's really the shape that we want. Yeah, looks like yes. Yes. Yeah. Slightly rounded. I will also compare with the other side as well, just to be sure. That's really close. So I will apply another layer of body filler because you see there is not enough body filler here, and there are some spots that it's simply not enough. Need that a bit more. Yeah, I will continue with that. Okay, where are we right now? Right now, I put a body filler on that. Yeah, sand it. That took a lot of time. That, you know, tiny edge. Oh my god, that was like seriously hard to make it straight. You know, because it's very hard to sand. You always didn't like. It's very hard to make it the tiny edge like proper transition from tiny edge to big surface. But looks like I was finally successful. So I took the wing out off from car and masked the area that we don't need to cover with primer. And right now I will put a primer on that. And that's all, guys, with that. It's primed, ready to send for paint, yeah. So I will leave it to dry. Some bloody flies flying around. So I will leave it to dry. We will send it for a paint and paint it. I really like how it went. Okay, guys. Let me put me on in the frame. Where are we right now? So far, wing is fully prepared. We will have two transition zones. I make like small transition zone, and we will blend on that edge paint. Yeah, because I want to keep seal original, so it will match the color with seal on the car. Such a way, it won't be noticeable that it was painted. Yeah. Also on that corner, you see, I made like kind of like pocket from masking paper, so it will allow that overspray to go in slightly but not too far. Yeah, so you'll have a smooth transition from one paint to other, to old paint, and we will not have issues like hard edges. Yeah, because hard edges will create visible border and you won't be able to remove it at all. That's the idea of blending the paint. And right now, let's put our base coat and finish with that wing. Yeah, so I will put base coat on those areas that are primed, yeah, to cover that primer, and then we'll coat all the wing, and that's it. Let's go. So far, guys, I already removed all our masking, yeah, because base coat is ready. It's dried. I already mixed our clear, and we'll put clear right now. And that's done, guys. We can leave it to dry. I see a few dust spots, but that's not a big problem. We'll polish it. Other than that, looks absolutely great. So, see you next time. Hit subscribe, like, and leave a comments if you like. Cheers.